Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Halo on Steam. The process is straightforward, primarily involving the Halo, the Master Chief Collection. This comprehensive package brings together 6 iconic Halo titles, offering a vast universe to explore. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to the series, Steam provides an accessible platform. We'll guide you through acquiring, installing, and enjoying these legendary games, ensuring you're ready for action in no time. Get ready to dive into epic campaigns and thrilling multiplayer battles. To begin, open your Steam client and search for Halo, the Master Chief Collection in the store. Once you find it, add the game to your cart and proceed with the purchase. After a successful transaction, the game will appear in your Steam library. Simply click the Install button, select where you'd like to save the files, and let the download complete. The installation size is approximately 125 gigabytes, so ensure you have enough space. Once installed, launch Halo, the Master Chief Collection directly from your Steam library. The game's main menu will present you with all 6 included Halo titles. You can then select your preferred game and choose from various modes, including the epic single-player campaigns, competitive multiplayer, or custom game lobbies. Take a moment to adjust your graphics, audio, and control settings to ensure the best possible gaming experience tailored to your preferences. Halo on Steam offers robust online multiplayer, allowing you to team up with friends or compete against players worldwide. Dive into various playlists and game types for endless fun. You can also personalize your Spartan with a wide array of armor pieces, colors, and emblems. Don't forget to check out the Steam Workshop for community-created content, adding even more variety. For the smoothest experience, ensure your PC meets the recommended system requirements, including at least 8 gigabytes of RAM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.